Behind custom-designed iron gates sits a true desert estate and private compound. In Palm Desert, California, a special property sitting on 1.4 acres featuring an Oasis setting with lush landscape, terraced planting, dramatic waterfalls, streams, multiple seating areas, pool, spa, and putting green. All adding to this ambiance and enjoyment of the outdoor entertainment areas. The home features grandiose design elements and finishes, including imported stone, arched openings, handmade roof tiles, and a reclaimed fireplace to exude a level of authenticity, warmth, and sophistication. The well-appointed interiors of the estate features generous living spaces within its nearly 9,000 square feet of living area. With 5 bedrooms, 7 baths, a gourmet chef's kitchen with massive center island and professional-grade appliances, and grand open areas with effortless flow from room to room. The home is magnificent enough to entertain in the highest style while maintaining an air of intimacy. The master suite has a hand-carved crema marble fireplace along with a private garden with a hot tub and broad golf course views. Step outside each morning and enjoy being encompassed by the terraces, broad lawns, and landscaped gardens that lie just above the golf course. The resort-style grounds include manicured lawns, a lagoon-style pool with water features, and an elevated spa, as well as a cabana with a full-service bar and a built-in barbecue. There's also a putting green. Incorporating Mediterranean architecture and modern design, sleek and organic materials are blended seamlessly inside and out. The home was sold for $5 million in November 2019.